But in example 8, they are going to give us some more information. So they give us the zeros, but then they also give us this extra information. So for example, the zeros are x equals -3 and x equals I. We're looking for a third degree polynomial. We have a complex zero, so the conjugate, in this case would be -I, is also going to be a 0. So my factors would be x plus 3, x minus I, and x plus I. So we would write down f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x minus I times x plus I. And so I forgot my coefficient. Let me go ahead and include it. And then I'm going to multiply x times x is x squared, x times I is xi, negative I times x is negative xi, negative I times I is negative I squared, or you can use the shortcut and square the coefficient here and the coefficient here. So we get x squared, this cancels. I squared can be replaced by -1 times a negative will become +1. Now we continue multiplying. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 1 is x. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 1 is 3. Gather any like terms. Okay, and so this is where we stopped in the previous example. But now they give me this information, which means that when x is 1, our y is equal to 8. So since we have this information, then our y is 8 here. And my x, everywhere I see an x, I'm going to substitute a 1. And so by doing this, we're going to be looking for that leading coefficient. So we get an, 1 cubed is 1, 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So divide by 8. So that tells me that my leading coefficient is 1. So if I plug that back in, I get 1 times x cubed plus 3x squared plus x plus 3. Multiply the 1. And so that's just going to be x cubed plus 3x squared plus x plus 3.